Hello guys, this is Rishabh and I am legal intern in the Lexus & Company, and today's topic is on adultery. Adultery is defined as a voluntary sexual intercourse by a married person with a partner other than his or her spouse. The legal definition of adultery varies in a different jurisdiction and statutes. Adultery in India is a criminal offence, and hence there are a provision related to adultery. Indian Penal Code 1860, Section 497 defines adultery. In India, Section 497 of IPC, a history of 150-year colonial period, and since from its commencement, it has been spanning into a debatable and questionable controversies on several accounts, such as on gender-based approach, questioning the equality clause, reflecting the culture of the people of India, and the strong arguments were raised either for its retention, alternation, modification, and deletion from a penal statutes. The object, philosophy, and the justification of a legal regulation of the adulterous behavior of a person in a society has been examined appropriately on the time scale so as to estimate whether it's a modification, retention, or deletion. It's imperative in the contemporary context or otherwise. Let's talk about some history on adultery and on the section 497 of IPC. When the Indian Penal Code was drafted by Lord Macaulay, did not approve adultery. Lord Macaulay did not approve the adultery as a provision in IPC, but in second report, the President disfavored Macaulay's perception on adultery and imposed a heavy reliance upon his mark, and concluded that committing adultery was a heinous crime and offender will be liable for punishment. Hence, Section 497 was instituted in the Indian Penal Code. Immediately after the institution in the Constitution of India, Section 497 of Indian Penal Code was impugned on the ground that it is usually goes against the spirit of equality in the Constitution. One of the most controversial cases was in 1951 when Mr. Yusuf Abdul Aziz, who was charged for adultery, grappled before the Bombay High Court. The Section 497 of IPC is unconstitutional as it in infringement of Article 14 and 15 of the Constitution, as it operates inequality between a man and a woman by making the former only are responsible for adultery. Therefore, he urged it discrimination in a favor of a woman and against a man exclusively on the ground of sex. In the most of the foreign jurisdiction, adultery exclusively from being a ground for a divorce, it has been realized as a criminal wrong against a marriage. In this jurisdiction, both spouses are generally adhere a criminal responsibility for their extramarital sexual indemnity. However, the law of adultery in India is commenced on 1.5 century ancient caste-based social norms in the reference of the traditional conservative property oriented family ideology. It is also preconceived on a few obsolete and moot assumption of sexuality, sexual agency, and unequal marital rights. Thank you very much, guys, and this is my assignment. And my assignment on this section 497, we have read about what the 497 say, and a little bit of history on section 497 of IPC. Thank you very much.